So today we're going to compare the one model of Luana vacuum sealer to the newer vacuum sealer with an external attachment. I have had this unit for almost 5 years, I want to say, and I've been using it a lot. And it still works perfect. And this unit was just sent to me. And both of them were sent to me by the company. So both units did end up coming with 2 rolls here. So you have an 11-inch width roll and an 8-inch width roll. So you will have more than enough as far as bags go to get your unit going. But both of the units have the same mechanism as far as having to be pressed down to get going. Now, right off the bat, you're gonna see that this model is a stainless steel model, whereas this is black and stainless steel. And obviously, it does have this attachment here that is fixed to the unit, and that is going to allow you to utilize those vacuum sealer bags. So this can attach to that. You can also take off the top here and stick this unit straight into one of these canning lid attachments. Whereas this unit over here does have this attachment, but it's just that. It's an attachment. It's something that you have to physically put on the actual machine. And you would do that just by sticking it in the hole right here on the corner of the machine. And this is gonna do exactly what this does here. This is the inside of the first unit. And as you can see, it does have a sliding mechanism for you to cut your roll. And it does have a nice mouth here to be able to put your bags in. This is the second unit that has the external hose on it. This also has the cutter for you to be able to cut your bags, and the same wide mouth on this as well, which really allows you to grab the bag. And both units do have a double sealer on here. Now the first one does have more so of buttons. Now these buttons are raised, but they are all the same functions. Now, these buttons are more of a smooth face button. But as far as functionality goes, this functions just as well as this one over here. But either way, both units are awesome. This one I just have a lot more history with. So I hope I was able to show you the difference of the 2 units, and I hope that that will make your purchasing decision a little easier for you.